Hello everyone, today we're discussing how to modify the product load in the Trenton Refrigeration Load Calculator tool located in the Trenton Refrigeration Design Tools package, which can be downloaded from the Trenton Refrigeration website. This tutorial is a continuation of the previous tutorial using the same 10 by 10 by 10 cooler application at a 35 degree F box temperature. You can see the calculation is already queued up, so we're going to click on the product load button, and the screen that appears in front of you provides all the currently selected product load information, to include the anticipated product weight as a function of the box dimension, product description, entering product temperature, and pull down time. If you'd like to modify these details, simply double click on the product type and this screen will appear in front of you. Some additional details regarding this product type are provided in this screen, from freeze temperature, specific heat above freezing, specific heat below freezing, moisture content, and then the heat of respiration if you're bringing in fresh product from the field. Again, on the right side is the same information that we had from the previous screen. And please bear in mind, in order to properly calculate the load, we must have all this information provided to us by either the contractor or the end user. If you prefer to specify a different product, you simply click on product type. In this case, we'll go down to produce, fruit, and we'll choose blueberries. Hit OK. And you'll notice these values have now changed. The freeze temperature is a different number, 29.1. Specific heat above and below freezing has changed. The moisture content has changed from 80 to 84%, and the heat of respiration is now 2,900 BTUH, bringing us at a product weight of 2,000 pounds, an entering temperature of 45, a final temperature of 35, pull down time of 24 hours, gives us a product load of 1,000 BTUs per hour. In later tutorials, we're going to discuss pull down time and load factor in more detail. So we'll hit OK. You can see it now reflects blueberries in our product load here, still reflecting the 1,000 BTUs per hour load. Hit OK again, returning us to the main screen, and now the 1,000 BTUH of product load represents 20% of our overall load calculation. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Trenton Refrigeration sales engineer. Thank you and have a great day.